So now we are at the marble factory. Over here you can see all the different blocks over here of the marbles that we have. These are now going to be picked up by one of our cranes, and then it's going to be sliced, and we're going to be showing you the process. So over here right now, we're showing you the first initial step when it comes to the marble processing in our factory. First we will take this crane, pick up the block that we require of the marble, and then shift it to the cutting and resizing plant. Once the marble is lifted and then moved to this particular plant, then the second step would begin. Come, let me just show you guys the first step now. So now we have lifted the marble and we have put it inside of the resizing unit first. And right now over here you're going to get to see how we are making this a proper square block. So that's what this blade is all about. It's about uniform block cutting. As you can see, this blade over here has got a diamond inside of it, which is helping to cut the marble because it's another hard substrate. Now, after the marble has been cut, we use this trolley kind of a system to bring the block on top over here to transfer it to the gang saw machine. Now, what is a gang saw machine? A gang saw machine is what you're going to get to see later in this video. The gang saw machine will basically cut the block into multiple different slabs. So now, as you can see, the crane has lifted the marble. It has been made into the particular block, and now we're putting it on the trolley system. Now this is our gang saw machine, which is cutting them as per the thickness that you require. So we have set the blades over here as per 18 mm, and I press this button, move this lever over here, and you can see the marble is starting to get cut. And this is how the marble block gets cut into different slabs, and this is how we do the fixing later. Then it will go into the polishing unit.